kindergarten. Yesterday, I talked to you about making your own 10 frames, and I had you do this and do some practice. Today I'm providing to you, these are in the Google Classroom for you to choose. They are pages that have two 10 frames on them showing our team numbers. I'll just show you real quick. I can show 11, I can show 15, 16, 17. So you have access to them. You are welcome to print them. Or perhaps you would like to just print out one, and then you can change the number up there. I have a number of other pages that you could just maybe use these numbers and change it there. So put 10 there, and then maybe shuffle it up, put 11. You know, take turns doing it. So you now have access to this, or you could print out all of them. That's totally up to you. So get any object around the house that you want to. I'm going to use my shells again. And follow the directions here. Kindergarten words, I. Kindergarten word, can. This word is show. I can show. And then there's the number 10. So I'm just going to take my objects, put them into the 10 frame, and practice 10. Now the very first time I'm going to count it just to make sure I have the right number, because I had an extra one. So I want to make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. It's just a practice of counting, practice of, using the fine motor of little objects, and working on our team number. So this one says, I can show 11. I know it doesn't sound like 11 is a team, but we know it is because it has a group of 10, which means we fill up one whole frame. Again, I don't need to count anymore because I checked on my first one that I had 10. And so now I can just count on and say 10, 11. I can show 11. One in each square, and then 2 more. I can show 12. 10, full frame is 10, 11, 12. Again, 12 doesn't sound like a team, but it is because there's one group of 10s. One, 2, and 3 more. I can show 13. There's our first teen sounding one. Group of 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, fill in my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, and 4 more. So I have 10 and 4 more. I can show 14, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got a missing one there, so I know I need to fill that one in. All right, I have 10 and a half of a frame, and I know that's a 5. I can show 15, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. My 5 down here. Fill up the frames up here. Uh-oh, there's 2 in that frame. That's not quite right. I gotta move that up there. Okay, so 5 and 1 more. So I can show 16. I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, counting on. All right, I can show 17, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now in this one I'm going to show you that if I were to do this, I still have 17, don't I? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. If I were to do this, I can show 17, 10, one for each square up there, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So after you get past 11, there's kind of multiple ways to do it, right? And they're all correct. No, there's 2 in that square, so that can't be right. If I put those 2 there, and put these 2 here, 1 there, and 1 there. I can show 18, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Might be easier for you to see if you do it in order. So that I have 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can say, I can show 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, and my last team here. I know that in order to get to 19, I need all except 1 square filled. Okay, so I can show 19, 10, 15, 16, 17, wait a minute, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I could put that there, it would still be 19. I could put that there, still be 19. I could put it there, still be 19, because it's 10 on the bottom and 9 up above. So use these to practice counting your teen objects and making sure you have the correct number, and have some fun with showing your teens in 10 frames.